Hey guys, it's me Taylor, and today we're gonna make vampire teeth. What's up, y'all? Let's get started. First, we're gonna need chocolate chip cookie dough. Let's line up the cookie dough. Hey, what's up, babe? It's time for the oven. Okay, we're gonna need vanilla icing for this part. Let's scoop it out. Then get red food coloring. Ugh. Mix it up. Cookies are done. Oh, hello there. Let's slice the cookies in half. It's time for the blood. Okay. Let's go, Marshmallows. Let's just stick them on. Just like that. And ta-da! You have your nice, delicious, scary vampire teeth. Yummy! Thanks for watching.